Hiya, my lovelies. How you all doing? Well, I'm not doing so good actually. So hence my state. But I've got a really, really sore hip, and I've even got to see a doctor. Yeah, I did. Really, I've seen a real live doctor, a proper doctor's appointment. Got up on the doctor's couch and everything. So booked in for an X-ray next week to see what's going on. Anyway, the dog, Milo is doing really well, and we've been out on our first walk. So let me show you. So here we are out on our first proper walk. So, as you can hear in the background, there are men, and we're not reacting. Are you happy, Milo? Are you happy, baby? Is it all new? Exciting stuff, eh? So I'm a proper old lady now because I've got the old lady dog, killer that he is, and I have the old lady walking stick because I've turned into an old lady overnight, virtually. Have you ever seen a more comfortable, pampered pooch? Yes, this killer dog. Yeah. Oh well.
But even I couldn't stifle a chuckle when Helen explained how her ex-tenant Sue would try and avoid paying the rent. You had a house in Blackpool. I did. Blackpool. And you, for various reasons which are wholly irrelevant, decided to go and live elsewhere. Only you wanted to rent your house out in Blackpool because you wanted an income. You're perfectly entitled to do that. So you advertised your house.
So, as you can see, Milo has made himself right at home, and we only managed a really short walk, more because of my health than anything, but he was a really good boy and enjoyed it. Anyway, that's the update for now, so I'll catch you later. Be good, stay safe everyone. Bye.